How you doing? Today we're going to give you some pointers on repairing a Blaupunkt Frankfurt mid-70s German radio, auto radio, and we're going to go through a couple of typical problems that happen with these. Okay, so here we have the Blaupunkt Frankfurt mid-70s unit. Now, a very common complaint with these is that one or both of the channels will not work, or they will play very low. And typically the most common part that fails here is these yellow franko capacitors. Okay, so these are going to have to be removed. There's about 5 of them, and I recommend you change all of them. I mean, if you have an in-circuit capacitor tester, you can check them individually and find out which one's bad. But if you're in there, you might as well, change all of them so you never have to go back in if another channel fails. And the way you take it apart is you have to remove this nut in the front and this one in the back to start. So here we'll just take this one out. Then you have to do the one in the back. Okay, and that will enable you to slide out the side panel. And then here you'll have access to unsoldering the various caps, like these two terminals, and same thing on this side. It's kind of like a mirror image. And you're going to remove them and unsolder them, and then install new ones. To get more room, access on the board, you'll also need to remove the volume control shaft nut. So this will come off, and then this will give you enough freedom here to to pull the control out. Yeah, and there's one more nut in the back here that you should remove. And this is 7/32 nut driver. Okay, and then you see this will enable you to basically swing out the PC board, and as you can see, these are all the capacitors that you're going to have to remove, these electrolytic capacitors, and that's basically it. Also, it's a good idea while you're in there to clean this with contact cleaner. This is the AM/FM switch, and it's a good idea to clean them. Never flex or touch these PC assemblies. They're very delicate and they crack if you try to sway them one way or the other. And of course they are not available, so it would be kind of like the radio's DOA for good. Alright, hope you enjoyed and good luck. Take care.